guys, welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, today I will be unboxing my brown sugar box. This is actually for March 2023. The box had a few delays because they didn't get products in on time. So the box actually got shipped out late and I've probably been sitting on it for about a week. So I figured I'd come on here and show you what was in the March 2023 box. This box generally ships out at the end of the month, but because it was running a little late, it actually didn't show up until the beginning of April. So I'm going to go ahead and get into what is in this box. If you guys are not familiar with the brown sugar box, this is a lifestyle box, a black lifestyle box. Every month there's a different theme and you do pay for the box monthly. So the best part about the subscription for this box that I enjoy the most is that they do allow you to pause or delay your box shipment. So if you're not ready to get it or you have other things going on and need to put your box on hold, it does allow you to do that. So guys, without any further delay, let's go ahead and get into this box and see what's in it. Over here got stuff falling out. I'm a mess today. So guys, this is your sneak peek. Every month the box does come with a card here and it has a QR code on the back. So this month our box, this is the Hair Goals edition, and it features, I guess, evolution of hairstyles, hair icons, phenomenal woman, ode to our trailblazers. So I'm going to show you guys what actually is in the box and we're going to just go through it from that way. This month's box does have a retail value of $115 and every box comes with a shirt every single month. Every month the shirt is different. So guys, this is our magazine here digitally, just so you guys can see. And when you get past the first page here, it shows you what's in the box. So it goes through what variety of different products could be in here. Not every product is exactly the same. It may be in a different print or a different color. So you do get to see that in this box. And I'll show you guys what I have. So Hair Goals is this edition. So let's go ahead and get started. What is in my box? So let me show you guys. So the first thing I'm pulling out here is we do have a leave-in conditioning serum. So this product here is valued at $18, guys. Imagine having easily manageable, hydrated, and moisturized hair for days. This is a leave-in serum. It extends your moisture for days beyond the application. Is made with avocado, macadamia oils that reduce the fizz and promote hair growth and shine. Your hair will be popping. This conditioner literally melts all the tangles and infuses deep moisture into the hair shaft and your hair will be prepped for styling. And the brand is Moisture Love. I'm not familiar with this. I don't know if this is a brand by itself or if this is a brand that Izzy and Liv is doing, but I'm assuming it's a brand by itself because if it was Izzy and Liv, they normally do put their name on their own products. So I'm assuming it's not, and this is by Moisture Love. So I do love a good conditioner, especially a good leave-in that really helps your hair. So I can't wait to try this out. Always need a good leave-in conditioner. So this looks cool to me. The next product I'm going to pull out, guys, is we have a Izzy and Liv Nourishing Moroccan Hair Oil. So guys, this product here is valued at $30. And they've had this in a box before. I don't know if it was last year or the year before, but I remember getting this and I've been using it. I love using these kind of things for like hot oil treatments or overnight treatments for my hair. So we have a Moroccan oil and it says it's back. Y'all asked for this blast from the past to come back, and here it is. It's infused with essential vitamins and minerals that work well together to nourish your hair from the inside out. Our argan oil promotes healthy hair, leaving it soft, shiny, full of life. Whatever you have, 4C coils or silk press, this is the perfect addition to your hair care. And again, this is the Moroccan argan oil. And if you guys aren't that familiar, argan oil is pretty expensive, so I'm not surprised that this has like a $30 tab. Good quality argan oil is really expensive because it's hard to actually make. Like, it's like a certain kind of way they press it out and all that kind of stuff. But I love argan oil for my hair and my skin, actually. So can't wait to try this one out. Well, actually, I've tried it out. This is probably the same exact formula, and I like the last one. So I'm saying this is a go for me. This is good. So let's go to our next item, guys. So the next thing that we have in here, I have, what is this? This is a microfiber towel, hair towel. And it says it's 100% cotton hair wrap. And this, guys, actually did come in 3 colors. It's valued at $18. So one of 3 colors here is what's on here, and I'm going to show you what I have. And it says, hey sis, tired of rubbing your hair with a regular towel causing breakage and damage? Say hello to your new towel wrap, a solution to drying your hair quickly after a shower or bath, preventing damage to your beautiful strands. You can receive one of 3 prints. So this is the one that I have here. And this is how it looks, guys. So it's very thin. You could probably put this over your hair probably before you go in the shower like they recommended. It's a bit thin for me in terms of me using it after I wash my hair. I normally use like that Turby Twist because it's made of like that terry and it like absorbs all the water. But this probably is good if your hair is kind of damp and maybe you're getting ready to go to bed or something like that, or it's a little damp and you're walking around the house. You can use this. It does have a button here, so I'm assuming there's somewhere for us to, oh, here it is, the loop. That's what I was looking for, a loop for us to put around a button on our head. So that is valued here at, what is this valued at? I don't see the value. Oh, $18, guys, $18. I just don't think it's probably worth $18. I mean, just based on how it feels to me, not so much $18. But I love the print. The print is very pretty. So let's move on to our next item. This item here, we have a piece of jewelry, and I'm wondering if this could have been a delay, because this one here, I don't see this one on here at all. No, I don't see this one on here at all. So this is not on our magazine at all. So this is separate. So I'm just going to pull this out. I think this might be something extra just to make up for the delay. But we did get a beautiful necklace here. I think it's very cute. It's like a heart with like a cross or something in the middle is what it looks like, guys. So it's a gold necklace. And that's what we got. Don't have a price because we didn't get one. It's not in the magazine. So this must be like an extra for the delay. So that's that item. And let me go with the next one. So we also got some styling tools, guys. So the styling tools, this one is valued at $24. And let me show these to you. We get a few things in here. And they come in different prints as well, which I'll pop up and show to you guys. Let me open this thing. Bad hair days be gone. This styling comb set will keep every strand in place. Your set comes with a wide tooth comb. So we have that. It comes with a parting comb. It comes with an edge brush. Where did I leave that? Oh, I left that in the thing here. So guys, this is the edge brush. You get like the brush here to do your edges with a little comb on the end, which I think is great for you guys that love your baby hair. I don't happen to be one of you. I ain't got time for that. And we also got an afro pick and a wide tooth comb here. So this is valued again at $24 for the whole set. I think it's really cute. I love the prints that they have on here. Definitely something you can use doing your hair, and especially natural hair. If you're like me, you're dealing with that whole beast. You need all these tools. But I really think this is cute, really cute. So this was valued at $24, guys. And last but not least, we're down to our final item in our box, and that is our t-shirt. So let me show that to you guys. And guys, this is our tea of the month. I thought this is really cute. So you could have had one of two. I like the one that I have. This is so cute. I can't wait to wear this. I love the lady and her face with looks like the little leaves in her hair and everything made up in an afro. That is so cute. I love that. So our shirt is valued at, I want to say 35 off the top of my head, 25. So $25 our shirt is valued at for the month. I think this is really cute. So overall, we have a box called Hair Goals. I think the t-shirt really tied in really well with the Hair Goals edition for this month. We got a comb set here with the different prints. And it has the little edge control, which I really think is neat. That was a really good idea. We also, I guess, got a consolation gift of a necklace with a gold necklace here. That's not in our box listed in the magazine at all. We have this hair wrap here, which I think is good if you're like me and you're like in the midst of drying your hair, walking around the house, need something to kind of just protect your hair while you're chilling watching TV. This will work. And we got some Moroccan argan oil, which is great for your hair and your skin. And we also got the leave-in conditioning serum, which is also good for your hair. So overall, I thought they didn't do a bad job with the theme. The value of the total box was $115. I don't know about the value because I told you I don't really think this is really worth $18. That's the only thing that I have a complaint about. Otherwise, I thought it was a fun box. It was pretty cool this month. If you guys have got this box, let me know what you guys got. Or if you didn't like this box, what didn't you like out of the box? Let me know. Thank you guys for joining me today to watch me unbox my March 2023 brown sugar box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. It would be a great help to my small channel here on YouTube. I do try my best to post weekly, but we are down a few boxes now, so it may not be weekly, but I'm going to try my best to keep up with my schedule. So I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.